Don Mariano to his late wife, Doña Maria. This was built in the late 1900s by Don Mariano para nga sa late wife niya na si Doña Maria. They have these 10 children, and on the 11th pregnancy of Doña Maria, unfortunately, she passed away. And Don Mariano gone through depression. That's why he built these the ruins to honor his love for her. And the details of the ruins, very intricate yung design niya. If you'll take a look at this, nakikita nyo, para siyang letter E. But this is actually letter M na magkaharap sila. This one and here on the other side. Ang symbol kasi nito, Don Mariano and Doña Maria. And the materials na ginamit nila dito is in-import pa siya sa Italy. And there are even workers from China na dinala para gawin tong mansion na to. It's not originally called the ruins. What happened is during the World War II, sinira itong mansion na to. They believe na yung mga ginamit ng mga Japanese na places to hide, kailangan masira yon. But later on, they discover na hindi pala ginamit itong mansion na to for their hideout. So they bombed the place, they left it burning for 3 days, and that's what makes this place the ruins now. So, kaya siya tinawag na the ruins. But even with that, napakaganda pa rin ang place. If you will visit this place, you will really feel the love of Don Mariano to his wife, Doña Maria. And I'm with my friend, Ivy. What do you love about the place so far sa designs niya?
Parang medyo European yung style niya.
Yeah.
Ang ganda ng place, very Instagrammable.
Oo, very Instagrammable siya.
Mag-picture talagang, ang ganda.
Saka if makikita niyo, ako gusto ko yung mga chandelier nila. Ang ganda niya. Tapos if makikita niyo tong this one, di ba, yung foundation niya, it's really built gamit ang bato. Bato talaga, as in solid. So marami ka nang na-TikTok.
Oo naman.
Sabi ko sa kanya kanina, sabi ko, girl, mag-video tayo. Kwento-kwentuhan. Hindi, yung sabi mo kanina, sige mag-video tayo pero wag ako magtanong about history ng... Ay, makatanongin ko siya about history ng place. Meron kasi dito na piniplay sila.
Hindi ako
Panoorin
nakinig.
mo, girl.
Ikaw lang nakinig eh. Kaya parang baka bigla may tanong ka. Hindi ka nakinig.
Hindi, panoorin mo siya. Yung... Parang mas mag-feel mo yung ng story behind it.
Kwento mo na lang.
Ayaw niya talaga manood, guys. So yun, ang ganda. So pakita namin sa inyo yung place. We went here on a very good weather. Hindi siya masyadong mainit and hindi rin umulan. Which is akala namin uulan kanina kasi yung nasa boat kami, sobrang lakas ng alon. Tapos makulimlim, di ba?
Oo, so kala ko pangit yung weather. Pero ganda naman. Yung pagbaba na natin yung very.
Yes. So we'll show you the place. The ruins. Ang entrance fee dito is 150. And if you want to go to the resto, they have resto, 400 pesos siya and consumable na siya. I'm not sure if how many hectares ito, but the totality ng land ni Don Mariano is 420 hectares, imagine. Then pinaghati-hatian yun ng mga anak